With this automatic soap dispenser, all you need to do is put your hand right near it, and it dispenses just the right amount of soap that you've customized for your preference. If you're like me, you may be wondering what types of soap you can put in here, how sensitive the motion sensor is, what the battery life is like, and how easy this is to refill. I'm going to be answering all of those questions in my video demonstration. The brand has sent me this stainless steel soap dispenser for me to test out. So I want to show you what it looks like close up and then demo it for you so you can know whether this is something you may want to buy. This is the stainless steel model, but it does come in other variations. This is water resistant and really durable. This is what it looks like close up. It's rechargeable, so you never have to worry about buying batteries for it. And the recharger has a magnetic base that snaps on to the bottom of it. It takes about 3 hours to fully charge it. But with regular use, the battery life is supposed to last for about 3 months. Now this is really easy to refill. All you need to do is press on the top, and then it comes out like this, and you pull it off. And then you put liquid soap inside. And you can use any type of liquid soap. You can use foam, regular, you can even put hand sanitizer gel in this. Then you put the top back on and press it to seal it close. It also has this display window in the front, so you know exactly how much liquid soap you have in this dispenser. I like how the design is really sleek. It doesn't have a lot of buttons. It's just very simple. The button for this is on the back, and you toggle to operate it. So to turn this on, you toggle once down. On the very top of the dispenser is a colored light. It flashes blue when you first turn it on. And when it has low battery, it will start to flash red. I really like that you can customize it by setting how much soap you want dispensed. It has 4 different options, and you choose them by toggling down. When you first turn it on, you have to prime the pump. So the manual says that you should move your hand back and forth for a few times. Now that the pump is primed, I'm going to show you how much soap is dispensed in each of these settings. I'm going to use pieces of magic eraser at all 4 settings. This is setting 1. It flashes 2 times to let you know this is setting 2. This is setting 3. And this is setting 4. So this is the most amount you're going to get in all of the different settings. The motion sensor is right here. And if you're washing dishes or cleaning up and you have a sponge down here, it's not going to set off. It's only going to go off when you're directly near the motion sensor. Thanks for watching. You can buy this using the links below. And if you thought this review was helpful, please click like and subscribe to my channel for more reviews. If you already have this item, leave a comment and let me know what you think about it.